Hold on. Is that what you want to do? All right. Wait a minute.
It's only been 3 weeks. I had 2 haircuts and 3 oil changes. Out in the kitchen.
Sorry.
It's okay. Toss it to him, Reggie. You gonna catch? Good catch!
Did you do?
You gonna play peekaboo too?
Peekaboo, I see you. I love you.
I didn't think you were here. I heard Meredith go by and I thought you were out chasing.
Peekaboo, I see you.
Hi, one boy country.
Okay, here.
You know they take me everywhere. The theaters, the best restaurants, and my hand.
Ready? Well, he tried to catch it.
He's trying to get me. He's trying to cover me. All right, tell you what. Hold on. Hold on. Oh. All right. Here it is.
For my share of the water bill? That's right.
He wants to play tug of war.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo!
You.